Hi guys, it's me, Casey. So today I want to talk about how to keep yourself motivated in cooking. If you haven't noticed, I'm trying to make my channel a cooking channel. I loved cooking, so I will probably post other things on there too, not just cooking stuff. I will also be doing baking stuff too, because I like baking, I like cooking. Okay, so number one, plan your meals ahead of time. Go out when you go to get groceries, make sure you get what you need for all those groceries or for all your meals for the week. That is how you plan your meals ahead of time. I sometimes do this, but then I sometimes don't. But it's better if you plan your meals ahead of time, so that way when it comes to making dinner for that night, you already know what you're gonna make because you planned it ahead of time. Number two, try new recipes. Definitely try new recipes. I follow this guy on TikTok. I don't remember what his name is. Cooking in the Midwest, I think that's what it's called. He has a whole bunch of videos that I love watching. And I've tried a couple of those recipes. There was one with it's like a packet that you can put on the grill. It has like chopped up potatoes, carrots, then hamburger on top, and then put some barbecue sauce and some cheese, and you let it sit on the grill. That was really, really good, and my boys loved it too. And it's hard to get them to eat any type of meat, really. Number three, cook for others. That is another thing. So recently, I just baked my son's snake cake. I don't know if you ever watched that video. If not, I will put it at the ending of my video, this video, so you can watch it. But there was so much of it, I couldn't fit it in my fridge. So what I did was I took some to my mother-in-law and my nephew, my mom and her boyfriend, and then I took some to our coworkers over at Arby's. They all loved it too. My nephew's like, you're gonna have to end up making my cake. I'm like, well, it all depends on what it is, because I can only do so much. But when I put my mind to something, I try and stick to it. Number four, make the process enjoyable. So don't just go in there and be like, oh, I gotta cook. Make it fun. Play music. Do something. I know I always play music when I start cooking, and that's why it takes me a little bit longer to cook, because I'm always dancing and singing to the music that I put on. But it's really fun when you make cooking enjoyable. Like, get some fun utensils to cook with. Get some different equipment instead of just what you have. Even if you don't have the money, I mean, just play music. Everybody has music. But number five, set realistic goals. Yes, that is something you should always stick to, is your goals. I know it's a new year. It's now 2025, first day of it. My goal in it is to get monetized for YouTube with my cooking channel, which I hopefully I get all the hours for it.
I think strawberry.
But
Ow, shoot.
Right. But yes, make sure you set some realistic goals. I'm gonna go to the store today and get the groceries I need for tonight's dinner. That simple. And it's good to do it that way. Number six, celebrate small wins. Even if it's just cooking a simple dinner for the night. Like, yes, I did it. And I got through it. But it's really that easy.
Mommy, blue tablet.
Alright, take the blue tablet. There you go. But I always celebrate my small wins too, even if it's something small.
Hey, Mommy.
Number 7.
I think this is gonna be hard.
Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. Number 7. Focus on making dishes you enjoy. Even if it's just simple, like hot dogs and mac and cheese. That's something that my boys eat. That's easy.
No,
Oh, sit. It's something easy that I know they will eat. And like today's a Monday. My husband works morning shift and I work night shift, so he has to figure out dinner for the boys at night. Even if it's just something simple like I said, the hot dogs and mac and cheese, maybe pizza, whatever they enjoy, nuggets, something easy.
No.
And it's making the dishes you enjoy all fun. Like, my favorite thing to cook is stuffed bell peppers. That is my favorite thing to make. And it's a big hit with our family. And me and my husband, we made our own recipe for stuffed bell peppers. And it's really good. If you guys want me to put it down, below, the recipe, I will if you want to. That's only if you like stuffed bell peppers though. Number 8. Treat cooking as a positive and not a chore. That is the most big thing. Do not think of cooking as a chore. I mean, yeah, it's something that needs to be done every single night. But it's doing it to make sure your kids or your family or anything are fed. I know sometimes I treat it as a chore, or sometimes I forget to pull out meat for cooking. It's like, dang it, now I gotta unthaw it or defrost it in my microwave or something. But it's still me treating it as a positive and not my chore. Me and my husband both take turns cooking, so he's better at cooking hamburger than me. Like, I can cook hamburger. It's just the seasoning part that supposedly I don't get down right, that the boys won't eat. But I am better at cooking chicken, so I cook the chicken. Because he doesn't think when he cooks it all the way through. So, number 9, watch some cooking shows. I watch tons of cooking shows. I watch MasterChef. That's both baking and cooking. I always watch the holiday baking shows they do. Hell's Kitchen, a bunch of them, and most of those are Gordon Ramsay. He's one of my favorite cooking celebrities, is Gordon Ramsay. But yeah, watch a bunch of cooking shows. I always watch them. I think I got my son into watching Is It Cake? Like, where it looks like it's a different item, but it's actually cake. And you have to guess in that show which one is which. And I think it's a cool show. Number 10. I think I already did that one. Simplify your meals. Yeah, I think I already did that one. That's okay. Simplify your meals. Keep it easy. It'll definitely be a big win for you if you make your meals easy.
Mommy.
What?
I need it passed.
Good job. High five.
But I still have more things to go.
Just keep your meals easy, and it'll be good for you.
Oh, Mommy, look.
Yeah.
But we're gonna keep dying.
I think I'll just keep the video at that.
It was hard.
But yes, do those tips, and you will definitely keep yourself motivated in the kitchen on cooking.
Yes.
All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe,
Oh, hi there.
and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year's. Bye-bye.
Mommy.